Hello, everyone. Many organizations set out to build IDPs or internal developer platforms with good intentions, but they still struggle to get that adoption and the outcomes that they're really looking for. Often the problem isn't just the tools, right? It's the platforms are built without a clear product mindset, with coherent architecture, or without really understanding how developers actually want this to work. It's going to fail. In this 2-day hands-on workshop, I will walk you through building an IDP from ground up. So we'll start from the platform fundamentals. We'll talk about why platform engineering exists, how it differs from DevOps and SRE, and what a well-designed IDP would actually consist of. From there, we move on to platform architecture, control planes, infrastructure automation, and even GitOps workflows. We'll also include some AI-assisted diagnostics and policy insights that can help teams make better platform decisions. On the second day, we'll focus on developer experience, self-serve, observability, cost visibility, production readiness, and we'll also throw in some examples of how AI can sort of reduce that toil, improve onboarding, and surface those operational signals better. So the goal is not a proof of concept, but a practical platform foundation that you can create and take back to evolve within your organization. So looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.